In this video, I am going to guide you on how to check your ride history in the 13 Cabs app. It's useful for reviewing trip details, managing expenses, or locating lost receipts. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Open the 13 Cabs app on your mobile device. 2. Log into your account if you are not already logged in. 3. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the home screen. 4. From the menu list, select the option labeled My Rides or Ride History. 5. You will see a list of your previous rides with dates and times. 6. Tap on any ride to view more details such as pickup and drop-off points. 7. You can also see the fare amount and driver details for each trip. 8. Use the back button to return to the full ride history list. This allows you to keep track of your past trips and manage your travel records easily. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.